can add the sugar.
Whatever this thing is. Make sure I just pour it in. The entire thing. All of it. Whisk it.
Yeah.
I think they use the egg to harden it. That smells good.
Yeah, makes it good. Try it. Yeah.
Now what do I use this to like
Yeah.
smash it?
Yeah, you can mix it all up.
This one is much more smooth and this one's much more easier to like.
Yeah. If you need to add more, you can add more.
That's good. This better, or should I get more?
Yeah, make it bigger. Because you know your brother, he loves peanut butter cookies.
Good.
Yeah.
Now what that for?
Yeah. And then next.
Yeah, there we go. Oh shit.
It's okay, you can fix it later. See the trick? Butter on the hand, right? Doesn't stick. Yeah. Perfect, Henry. Ooh, that's fine. A little bit small.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Are they all round?
One's the best.